rin yata yung nagsabi. I love you too. Babae, yeah. Cause every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. A different feeling. Oh. A different feeling every night. Oh, my eyes away. The world better Anong problema niyo sa akin? But when I'm a billionaire, nagulat ako, mapigit yung bird ko. But when I'm a billionaire, hey, I wanna be a billionaire.
So freaking bad.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone!
Good evening!
Merry Christmas, ang taray. White party. Gay pride ba kayo? Hindi ko naman ako sinabihan na white party pala. Sila nagbuka akong demonyo dito sa event nyo. Nakakaloka. Para kayo lahat anghel. Ako lang nagbukang Diablo rito. Good evening, everyone, and Merry Christmas. And thank you so much for inviting me here on your Christmas party. Sosyal. Ang bongga-bongga nito. Sosyal. Parang ang yayaman ninyong lahat. Kaya billionaire ang first song ko. Mukha kayong mayayaman. Ano yung pinipicturean mo? Yung sapatos ko, yung bread ko. Nakakaloka ka. Pagkatawag ko nag-make-up, tapos ang pipicturean mo pababa lang. Talagang in-edit mo ng personal yung pataas. Nakakaloka ka. Maganda ba ako in person? Yes! Ipagkalat nyo ha, please. Wala kasing naniniwala. Pakitext na ng mga friends nyo. Kahit one friend a day lang, pakisabi, may itsura para sa personal yung bicycle. Wala po kasing naniniwala. Kasi lahat po ng tao, buong mundo naniniwala, mukha akong kabayo. Mukha ba akong kabayo?
Ano na naintindihan nila, Mr.
May umoo, ang kapal ng mukha niya. Wala akong pakela. May ano kung mukha akong kabayo, hindi ko naman kasalanan. Kasalanan ko ng nanay ko dahil hindi siya tumatawag sa hinete, hindi ako kabayo ngayon. Usapin ko yung nanay ko, may problema ko sa itsura ko. So, itong mga nasa harapan ngayon, itong mga big bosses. So, ito na ang oras para makaganti-ganti tayo sa mga big bosses. Wala nang ibang tamang panahon para mapaglaruan ng mga yan kundi ito. Since hindi rin naman ako sigurado kung may invita pa ako next year, edi todo ko na ngayon. Not unless you will promise me na next year ako ulit ang performer. Pag-swelto tayo. Hindi, biro lang. So, I assume that there are foreigners in the house and I think you're having a hard time. Sino? Ano ni? Ay, taray naman itong skinhead. Nabuhay na avatar. Bongga kate. Skinhead din tong isa, pero mas makinis yung sayo eh. Diba? Parang siya nagpa-skinhead, parang sayo kusang nawala. Nagpa-chemotherapy, nagpa-successful. Bongga. Sino yung niloloko niya sa akin? What's his name? Rico, hi Rico. Where is he from? Hindi siya Pilipino? Where are you from, Rico? What? Ba't yun siya tinanong, where are you from, Rico? Sabi, US? Tinatanong niya ulit ako. Ewan ko. Isa ng bahay din mo, check ko yung address. Is it the proper intonation when you answer back? Kailangan pataas din yung US? Walang confirmation, patanong ulit. US? Kaya sagot ko rin, I don't know. I don't think so. Tapos lagi English. You're from the US. Where exactly in the US are you from? Would you mind joining me on stage, please? Kaya ayaw ko sa medong party. Nabibigyan ko ng English eh. Ilan na nga lang ang na-review ko, mauubos pa rito. Come on, make it fast, Humpy-Dumpy! Christmas party ito, ina-expect ko makita, mascot ni Santa Claus, hindi ni Penguin. Did you understand?
EOP.
What?
EOP.
What does that mean?
English on the floor.
English?
On the floor.
English?
On the floor.
English on the floor.
Floor. EOP.
EOP. Text mo na lang ako, Leche. Rico! What's your last name, Rico?
Gamboa. Gamboa.
Gamboa lang yun ang ating. Hindi mo na. Gamboa. You are pronouncing your last name incorrectly. It's not Gam, it's Gam. Gam. Open your mouth, use your articulators, say it again. Gam. 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 Once more. Gam.
Gum.
Pollution in the house. Gamboa.
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 Aren't you Filipino?
Nope.
What's your nationality? You're American?
American, but Mexican descent.
American, but
Mexican descent.
Mexican descent. Oh, that's why you smell like nachos. So you are half American, half Mexican. So what brought you to the Philippines?
Work?
No, it is the airplane that brought you. Such an easy question, and you couldn't answer it right. Work brought you to the Philippines? God damn it! That's bullshit! Yun ang alam ko English, bastos man. So you went to the Philippines for work. Why? Don't you have work in your country? Don't smile at me. What? So why don't you work in your country? A lot of Filipinos in the Philippines don't have work. Go back to your country. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm just kidding. You know what kidding is? Kidding. When you're not old yet, you're kidding. When you grow, you're growing. When you're old, like him, you're dying. So Rico Gamboa from the USA with Mexican descent. So do you have a girlfriend?
Wife.
You have a wife? Oh, where's your wife?
In the U.S.
In the US? Why didn't you bring her along here? The Philippines is such a fun place.
Sorry, emote.
Why? Konti English lang, di makasagot. Don't you miss her? Don't you miss her?
Of course.
Of course you miss her. So, how do you keep up? You forced me to English you, now English me back.
Nosebleed.
What?
Nosebleed.
Siya kami yung nosebleed. You're experiencing nosebleed? Me, internal bleed. You're so cute. How old are you?
32?
32. Do you have kids already?
No.
You don't have kids yet?
Nope.
So this is your first? So do you have any plans of, of impregnating your wife anytime soon?
No, this is the best birth control I can have being over here.
Oh! Ano daw? So, what do you have there? What are you playing there? Can I try it here? Let's meet in the middle. You take the left side, I'll take the right side, let's meet in the middle. Come on, let's play. Play. Choo 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 choo. Wow! Sabi, yeah, it's getting bigger, baby. Don't worry, you should be very proud of it. Great things start from a small beginning. Growing up, reach early for your day. A chance to be better, a chance to become a dream. Growing up with Olympic energy. Growing up with Milo happy day. And you seem to be having a grand time. Did you have fun? Did you enjoy it?
Of course.
Oh, you want some more? Come on, it's your turn now! Do it to me, baby! No, don't get mad. We're just having time. It's your Christmas party, and you don't always do this because you're busy working, right? So we really have to have fun tonight. Let's make the most of this night. Okay? I firmly believe that he's not the hottest guy in the house tonight. So who is? Who is the hottest guy in the house tonight? Bruce! Oh, am I facing the right guy? But I don't want to get in trouble. Is he a big boss? Oh, I have a big boss as well. Would you like to meet my big boss in his office? Hi sir, good evening sir. Ayoko loko, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung kalahati ng sweldo. Hindi ko bayaran ang buo dito. Hi sir, what's his name?
Chris?
Chris, you know, Chris is having a grand time because you know you're such a sport and you know everyone is enjoying because of you. That's why you will receive an extra bonus this Christmas. Aside from the 13th month pay, you will receive the separation pay. He's such an immoral member of the corporation. I'm just kidding, just kidding. You're so cute. Are you friends with the Teletubbies? No, never. Do you know them? Tinky Winky and Lala? So who are you friends with?
Not the Teletubbies.
But you're what?
Not the Teletubbies.
Oh, not the Teletubbies. So who are your friends? Tell me who your friends are, and I will tell you who my friends are too. Tama ko mag-English. You're so cute when you smile. Even if you frown, you still look like smiling. Why? Because you look like Smiley. So let me kiss you now. Let me kiss you. Where do you want me to kiss you? Here? Why not there? Come on. No, Alice, we're both guys. You're so malicious. We're both guys. There's nothing wrong with that. What you have, I have to. Even longer, baby. It's just a kiss. There's nothing wrong with a kiss. A kiss is just a position of two orbicularis muscles that gives an extraordinary sensation to the tip of the tongue, down to the testicle of the man and the ovary of the woman, that will lead to ejaculation and ovulation, especially if the girl has delayed menstruation. So you're quite impressed. Okay, let me kiss you now. Sige na, ang hirap ng buhay, kikita ka rito. Okay, you're such a good sport. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're so hot. I thought you're warm-blooded. Taray nga maglakad. Kayo, magbibigay na kayo ng lalaki sa akin, yung ganyan pa. Paano ko na magsisex ka? Pagulong-gulong lang kami. Hello? Imagine yung magkatuloy yung kabayo at baka, anong anak mo? Gusto ko naman yung gwapo-gwapo talaga. Maraming gwapo rito, nakita ko kanina nag-CR. Maghahanap nga ako. Hindi ba ito tatawa? Pwede ba ito tapakan? Wow! Yes! Kuya Kim in the house, yes! Kuya Kim, bird mo! Show mo! Yan. Total, ayaw niyo mag-volunteer. Ako na lang maghahanap. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Uy, mayaman. Ang layo sa aminin kong isang Sino? Ayaw mo mabuha nitong dalawang to? O kamukha ni Akihiro Sato. Ito, ang gwapo! Sabi ko na ba, hindi ako nagkamali ng paggawa ng entablado. Talagang nakakakita ko ng magdugong lalaki mag-umba ako. Halika na, ano pangalan mo, kuya? Hi, Francis! Francis, tayo ka naman. Ayaw ba tingnan mo, walang ka-arte. Yan ang gusto ko sa mga tao nito. Magwapo na, maayos na, wala pang ka-arte-arte. Yung iba ang papangit ng arte pa. Halika rin. Si ate ang nanay. Sa susunod ate, long sleeves, ha? Ikaw pa talaga nag-sleeveless, ate. Alam ba ng Meralco na may dala-dala ka na? Bawal ng illegal, laging nagdala pa ng cross. Bastos! Halika rito. Yung mga nito matangkad pa. Oh! Isang tawagan pa lang sumama agad. Gipit ka. Kasi mga lalaki, nowadays, mga-arte rin, pero ito hindi mga-arte. Halika, would you mind joining me on stage? Ay, sabi nila, mabait, bongga. Wow. This is really my night. Ay, ganda na outfit. Nice outfit. Yeah. Ikaw. Napaka-gentleman mo, no? Ang laking mama. Taray. Ang tangkad mo, pero ang liliit ng ngipin mo. What's your name?
Francis.
Francis. Ganda ng boses. Well modulated. Tapos, guwapo. Francis, ilan taon ka na?
27.
27. Chorotero. 27. Mamatay ka man?
Oo.
Talaga? Pero,